Welcome back to another mind-expanding session where we dive deep into the very fabric of wealth creation. Today's revelation is like planting a financial seed and watching it grow into a money tree. I'm your guide to the world of abundance, and we're unraveling the power of compound interest. Now, I know that sounds like the beginning of a magic show, but folks, this is no illusion. It's the science-backed, time-tested magic of your money working for you. Ready to unlock the door to financial wizardry? Let's roll. Now, before we dive into the enchanting world of compound interest, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our wealth-boosting content. Get ready for a financial journey that might just change the way you think about your money. So, what exactly is this compound interest wizardry? In simple terms, it's the process of earning interest on not just your initial investment, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. It's like a financial snowball effect, and the bigger it gets, the more it rolls in your favor. Now, let's break it down. We have two types of interest: simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is like a one-time bonus. You earn interest only on the initial amount you invested. It's straightforward, but it's not the hero of our story. Enter compound interest. Compound interest is the overachiever, the superhero cape for your money. Here's why. With compound interest, you not only earn interest on your principal, the original amount, but you also earn interest on the accumulated interest. It's interest on steroids, and it's the reason your wealth can grow exponentially over time. Now, let's put this into a real-world scenario. Imagine you invest $1,000 at a 5% annual interest rate. In the first year, you'd earn $50 in interest. But here's where the magic starts. In the second year, you're not earning interest just on your initial $1,000. You're earning it on $1,050, the original amount plus the interest from the first year. As this cycle repeats, your money snowball grows, and you start earning interest on interest on interest. This compounding effect is why Albert Einstein famously called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It's not just a saying, it's a mathematical reality that can turn small, consistent contributions into substantial wealth over time. Now that we know what compound interest is and how it works, let's tackle the burning question. Why does time play such a crucial role in this financial wizardry? Time is the unsung hero because it allows your money to grow exponentially. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to take advantage of the compounding effect. It's like planting a money tree. The sooner you plant the seed, the taller the tree grows, and the more fruits it bears. This is why financial experts often emphasize the importance of starting early when it comes to investing. The longer your money compounds, the more impressive the results. It's not about the amount you start with. It's about the time it has to dance and multiply. But hey, this isn't a one-size-fits-all potion. There are various ways everyday folks leverage compound interest, and one such gem is whole life insurance. Now, I know, insurance can be as exciting as watching paint dry, but bear with me. This one's a game changer. Unlike its sibling, term life insurance, which covers you for a specific period, whole life insurance provides coverage for your entire life. But here's the exciting twist. It comes with a cash value component that can grow over time, thanks to our trusty friend, compound interest. Here's how the magic begins. When you pay your whole life insurance premiums, a portion goes into the cash value account. This cash value isn't just sitting there idly, it's working its magic by earning interest. And you guessed it, it's compound interest that turns this cash value from a mere number into a financial powerhouse. The beauty of whole life insurance is that the cash value grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on the gains until you withdraw them. It's like having your money perform a financial dance behind the scenes, and the longer it dances, the more captivating the results. Now let's explore why whole life insurance can be a strategic partner in your wealth-building adventure. The cash value in your whole life insurance policy is your personal financial sidekick. You can borrow against it or withdraw the accumulated cash, offering flexibility and liquidity in times of need. The longer you keep your whole life insurance policy in force, the more time the cash value has to enjoy the benefits of compounding. So, how do you practically harness the power of compound interest? It's not about tossing money into the financial abyss and hoping for the best. It's about strategy, consistency, and a sprinkle of financial mindfulness. First, start early. Time is your greatest ally. Second, be consistent with your contributions. Even if it's a modest amount, the key is regularity. Third, diversify your investments. Don't put all your financial eggs in one basket. And fourth, consider the whole life insurance card. It might just be the ace up your sleeve. Now, I know, we're diving into the deep end of finance, and it's easy to feel like you're in a complicated math class. But fear not, we're in this together. And remember, even Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. If the guy who understood the secrets of the universe vouches for it, we're on the right track. In conclusion, compound interest isn't reserved for the financial elite. It's your passport to wealth. It's not about the amount you start with. It's about consistency and time. So, plant that financial seed, let it grow, and who knows? Your future self might just thank you for the millionaire magic. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that like button, share the wisdom, and let's continue crafting our wealth masterpiece together. Until next time, stay wealthy, stay wise, and we will see you on our next wealth building video.